We are out here. It's Saturday morning. Last night we had ourselves an epic feast for dinner. It was truly amazing. Grills going left and right. The food was just insane. So we didn't take a ton of video last night. Tonight I got a couple of things. Hopefully we'll see if they pan out or not on taking some video. Some cool stuff happening here on the river and stuff at night. So we'll see how that goes. But right now we're about ready to go get into some breakfast. Go see what they're cooking down the way. And our plans today are hopefully to get to go do some exploring like we talked about, going down to Bumping River, Bumping Lake, go do some prospecting down there, take a ruckus out down there, get to do a little bit of exploring. I am super stoked and jacked on this area up here. It is simply gorgeous. So I can't wait to get to go prospect for more sites and try to find some options up here to do dry camping. Love doing the in the park camping, but dry camping is a whole different level of special to me, and we can't wait to go check that out. So let's go get into this breakfast, and we'll see where the day takes us.
You're a little too close there, dude. There's no bacon for you here. There's no bacon for you. Good morning.
What's up? Guten Tag.
How we doing?
Well, there may have been a bit of alcohol consumed last night, so I'm just trying to ease in this morning.
We got some bacon that'll fix
That
that.
bacon grease always fixes that.
Bacon grease and beer as some kind of hangover cure. Got a little Captain Indian.
Well, bam! Hello!
What is up, people?
All right, everybody, we have made it. We are down here. We've made the trek to Bumping Lake. We're going to spend a little bit of time here in the water. The sun is finally starting to make its presence today. It's definitely kept the temperatures a lot cooler. It's like 90 plus yesterday. Right now it's like 75. It is gorgeous out here. Got this lake in the background. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the water out here and get some shots.
Nice hat choice, bro.
Thanks, man. You know, making stylish statements here at Bumpy Lake.
Gotta get that double
Bumpy
hat in.
Lake?
Bumping.
Bumping.
Can I swim it?
This is the coolest part, I think, man.
It's exactly like a chainsaw.
Yeah.
Now that's
The teeth are all like...
This isn't like them cheap ass Rambo, First Blood, whatever knives.
Yeah,
where
this isn't...
You try to go and saw a tree branch and the tree branch bends over like
Ooh,
Charlie
it's-
Brown's Christmas tree.
Yeah, you got...
No, you can go.
Also to note, parking down here is not the best. We're down here in middle of July. The boat launch area here, there's not a lot of parking. We've had to kind of jockey ourselves down over the last half an hour or so to get into more legal parking spots. So definitely keep that in mind if you're down here. It's not the easiest place to get parking, but we have succeeded, and we are down here enjoying Bumping Lake today. All right, everybody, we have made it back from the Bumping Lake. We had an amazing time down there, kayaking, swimming, just having an overall good time. Went out, took the ruckus out. Also got to do Bumping River Campground 2 ruckus reviews. Make sure to check those out. And then I came back from the reviews, and a lot of people were, like we said, parked illegally up there, and rangers came in and cleaned house. I was pulling up, finishing our reviews, and everybody was bombing out of there like madman. Luckily, I was able to get a legal spot and didn't really have to trip too bad, so we packed the ruckus up and we are back at SQUAW Rock. We had a great time down there. We're gonna enjoy some food tonight. Tri-tip, corn, chicken, all the things. The food here has just been ridiculous with the people that we're getting to hang out with this weekend. Haven't really had to cook a whole lot. It's kind of a little different from most of the time when I'm going out camping. We're spending a lot of time cooking food. But the good news is with that is we're gonna get some more time to get some of these shots. We're gonna show you a couple of shots of, hopefully show you some more shots of the river tomorrow with SQUAW Rock. Tomorrow will be our last full day down here, and we're just gonna have another good day, get this ruckus campground review here at SQUAW Rock. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna give you that first-hand review, so make sure you check that out. Make sure if you're liking this content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you are notified for when we do these videos and we're out here doing these awesome adventures, that you can come with us and check that out. Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video.